Hi, my name is Allison Fleshman, and I'm an associate professor of chemistry here at Lawrence, sitting in a chemistry laboratory, sadly without any students. So to honor the pledge, we've sent our students kits to bring the laboratory directly to them. So one of the cool things is in this kit that we've got tools that any chemist will need: a balance. So this is a balance that you would typically see with a jeweler or anyone that does any small work. So this balance, the students can measure accurately the different compounds that we've sent them. What compounds, you might ask? Got them a cup. We've also got some sodium bicarbonate that we sent them, and they will add that on their balance directly to their cup. They've also got some acetic acid, vinegar. Woo! Awesome. So you can see that they would make a reaction occur by mixing these two compounds together, baking soda and vinegar. Really cool thing, you can see the mass change. So those bubbles that you've seen for years and years every time you do that fun volcano experiment by mixing baking soda and vinegar together, that's carbon dioxide that's bubbling out the top. And so that carbon dioxide, as it leaves and goes into the atmosphere, what happens is the mass of the reaction of the compounds here goes down, and you can actually see the change here. Wicked cool. So really cool chemistry that can be done. The other thing that the students have, a pipette for doing accurate liquid measurements. They also have a thermometer, so they can measure the temperature changes associated with various reactions. So much fun chemistry that can be done if you have the right tools, and we've made sure that our students have those tools because we care for them and we miss them and we are here with them.